we'll do a log. So like I mentioned, any non-zero number, it will be converted to true. You can see that's the output that we have got. Okay. Now let us go ahead and try converting the Boolean value into the number again. So that will be nothing but number of whatever the Boolean that we got. You can see 5 is being converted to true. When you're trying to convert a number into a Boolean, 5 is converted to true. But when you try the reverse, when you try to convert this particular true, which is a Boolean, into a number, it will always be 1. Now let's try for null. So in case of null, when you're trying to convert it to a number, it is 0. Null is converted into, so when you're trying to convert it to a Boolean, null is being converted as false. Okay. So do this set of exercise so that you clearly know what will be converted to what in case of type conversion. Okay, so this is how you do it. Just try changing the values of undefined here. When the value is undefined, it can't be converted to a number, right? Okay, the next concept is operators. Okay, so in JavaScript, we have different types of operators. Let me just list them down. First is assignment operators. Next, arithmetic, comparison, logical, bitwise, and string. Okay, these are different types of operators in JavaScript. We'll start with the arithmetic operations. So in arithmetic operations, what will be there? So the general addition, subtraction, whatever you know, all of these are arithmetic operators. Okay, so apart from the addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication,